Well, hello YouTube. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to stop and start MySQL server if you have that thing set up as Windows service, and that option is offered when you are installing MySQL server. Okay, so right now if I run command line client, I will be asked for password. It is really not important if server is working or not. Still, I do have this field here to type something. So 12345 because that's most ultra secure password. Enter and client will break because server is not running. So this will happen on Windows no matter what's happening with server. Anyway, let's start server manually. Down there in the lower left corner, in a Windows search bar, we need to type services. And we are here. Okay, so let's press enter or click, and we're gonna have a bunch of stuff in a listing here. Now press M or scroll down there, and there you go. That's the name of my service. Double click on it, or in the sidebar click on start, and I'm gonna double click, and now you have option to set startup type. We're gonna talk about that, and I'm gonna just start this thing now to make sure that it's working, ready to use. Okay. So let's check status. It is running. Let's log in MySQL command line client, and now we will end up in server. There you go. So you can say help, everything works. Let's get out, quit, and job done. Okay, what about startup type? Well, you have four options here. Manual stuff, I use this thing a lot because I don't need server to working on my development machine all the time. It's not necessary, it's just grabbing resources more than I need. So I'm gonna use it as manual startup type. Now, if your PC is like dedicated server machine, of course, probably you wanna use it as automatic here. But also, if you wanna have delayed start, you can choose that. Delayed start means first the system will do basic stuff, and then when the resources are free, when everything is ready and set, it will run server after it's sure that it will not put a lot of burden on machine. So choose whatever you like, and if you wanna completely disable that service, then just click on the disable, and that's pretty much it. But this is pretty much self-explanatory here. Okay, so this was a very short tutorial, nothing special here. Let me just repeat the process here. Go to Windows search bar, type services, get in, type M, scroll down, find MySQL 80, and I'm gonna cancel it because I don't need it at the moment. And guys, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next one. Ciao.